Yeah, how's the electrical systems?
Let's see. I've not smelled anything or anything weird like that, but it's impossible to say that.
Yeah.
Okay.
Any other questions you got?
So in this episode, we check out a Pretorian 35
In California.
of all places.
Off of Craigslist.
Chilling with my coffee.
Morning coffee.
On the way to see the boat.
Nothing like sipping coffee on Highway 1.
California.
This is one of their country place. You took it to this place to get the view.
Help yourself.
Help yourself.
Craigslist. Okay, at least he's not a psycho killer. So far, so good.
There's the mother of the bird, I think. Oh, that must be the father of the gathering.
So this boat comes with birds.
This bird comes with a bow.
just about able to fly.
Sure sign it hasn't been taken care of.
Heard about our board?
Yes! That's good. That's prime real estate in California for those birds.
Solid. It really is.
Jump up and down, really decent.
Rigging's decent. This is the first sign of crustiness.
Definitely needs a new bootstrap.
It's a mess boat.
That's why he's got water in the boat.
Oh, that makes sense.
Oh god, this is seized up.
Seized up danglers.
Sea stuff danglers.
That one's a little looser. Still pretty tight, but I guess probably just this bushing.
How do you even search for what that is? I don't even know what that is.
Yeah, it's super tight.
WD-40? I don't think WD-40's gonna do.
Oh, she's gonna need more than WD.
Need more than WD.
This one could do.
What do your customers like?
I don't know. I have no idea. The running rigging's a little older too. The halyards.
Just throw it in the laundry.
There's actually less spider cracking around the
Fittings there.
Oh, this was
I was
filled.
concerned about these holes that there might have been dry rot in the deck. It was fine.
What kind of deck is
Drier.
it?
Balsa core deck. Yeah, we actually looked at the other boat yesterday. There's little basis of comparison.
We might have just got nervous, like, oh, there's another boat they want to see. Flash by.
It's huge. There's winches here. The other boat
Look
only
at that
had
teak.
a spot for winches. Is it rudder? Is this locked?
Nope, it's just super stiff.
He was ignoring us.
Yeah, it's a little musty, but it's not bad. Every boat smells a little musty, no big deal. Chain plates aren't as pristine as the one. At least we get to see them.
Yeah,
No,
they're beautiful actually.
they're not bad though. It's not like. It's not like a, oh god.
You haven't seen shit, kid.
You don't know. If you don't know what to look at, just touch things.
Yeah, it's a little rusty.
That was the bolt for the inner forestay that was not sold.
To replace that bolt. So the question is, can I sit up here and read a book in here?
No, who's doing that in the V-Bird?
No one's reading a book in the V-Bird.
Through hulls look better than the other boat.
The hole, it's not quite as clean down here.
These ain't clean down here.
Logan doesn't need anything clean ever. It's fine.
But that's from the mast.
Different kind of bolts.
Oh, bladder tank.
U.S. Coast Guard approved 4-gallon tank, 4 flush tank.
Oh yeah, that's like one poop. Well, just cut
A lot of
that
it just
out.
needs to be cleaned up.
So this is all oil.
The first nail in the coffin.
No.
So that means this was all, it's all had water in it, standing to there.
See how it's sectioned off? There's rust here. Probably from the rigging.
I wonder how you lay this down.
Oh yeah, that's a good question.
Unless there's something else that slats across.
Maybe that's it.
There it is. I see. Right?
Yeah.
Well, each boat has its pluses and minuses.
Yeah. Take another look up here. Yeah, I think you ought to take another look. What's going on?
This tank looks real rusty. Oh, look at that. There's corrosion on the...
Yeah.
Pretty bad.
The rudder post was completely corroded.
You gotta haul out to fix that one for sure. Oh, this one. So this has the sink.
Which I don't like, because we have less space to sit here.
What? Why would you have a sink in the cabin?
Does someone need to brush their teeth before they climb into bed? Right there.
Gotta wash my hands before I go outside.
Replace this with too.
There's gotta be a through hole somewhere.
Yeah, it's definitely rougher than the other one.
Yeah. Do you want to look at? Did you look at the mast well enough too? And the Traveler.
Traveler was non-existent.
The sails look.
Poopy sails?
You feel alright. They're not terrible.
Yeah.
They're not great.
But same with the other one.
Running rig. General is okay.
All the teak needs to be replaced. Oh, and the other one didn't have the
Windlass.
windlass. I'll have the furler.
The other one had a bow roller.
Yeah.
Spinnaker pole.
Spinnaker pole and the... Did you have a spinnaker too, you said? Or no? You do. Do you want to look at... Did you look at the mast well enough too? Well... Anything else you want to see? Did you get under here? Did you get under... You saw under the mat. Did you? Asked you a few times now. Have you seen it?
I didn't answer.
Same thing.
Oh, this one needs to be. Oh yeah.
So far, so crusty.
Probably does. Maybe it could be salvage with a little bit of TLC.
Yeah.
Oh. What's this? This is called the gooseneck. That would definitely need to be replaced, huh?
Yeah.
It's like
Gooseneck was completely worn down to a nub.
This is just from the motion of that boom swinging back and forth on the water.
It's wearing.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying. It's like that one has to be replaced, the whole gooseneck.
Yeah. Yeah, do you know what's going on with this gooseneck?
You're looking at it?
It looks like it might be.
So a lot of these dock boats that aren't actually cruised
It's like,
are
it's
heavily
like charcoal
neglected.
or something. I don't know.
I just wanted his oil.
Or it's like it's coming from the bolt right here.
Down there. Oh yeah. Could be right.
This was painfully awkward.
Yeah, I would think we'd have to at least.
If it's just over time of swaying back.
Yeah.
That's not very hard.
Man, not about that.
That's that is for another. I think it's for a storm sail. I think it's a storm track.
Oh wow.
Makes sense. Oh, that is interesting.
So you think if we replace the gooseneck, just that section of it?
Yeah, this part looks like
Like I mean,
it's literally just wearing it.
Yeah,
it's
just
kind of
sitting here
crazy
rocking
how
around.
it's like.
Literally, that's just powder.
Yeah. Like I really thought it was charcoal. I was like, what is this? And that's probably what's on the lines.
Yeah, that's good.
Yeah. And it kind of crumbled a little bit when you...
That was the third nail in the coffin.
This is locked, I assume, right now, or? I mean, it's fine.
Could be either could be this.
Oh, yeah. That's a nice feature. Okay.
So you can engage your auto deal to come do all this guy. Then you lock it down because it has to take control of this.
Yeah.
So yeah.
Interesting.
Plus I tend to keep it lashed because obviously when it the same problem as that bloody thing.
Yeah. So, hon,
There's 3
a
nails in
little lock
copper.
here. There's a couple nails. Did you see that? And then, yeah, it should keep it latched, but it didn't save your rudder, unfortunately. you want to look at, you'll notice that it's connected to shore power
Constantly.
constantly. Yeah.
It's extremely stiff.
Does the fridge and freezer work still? It does. Okay. I don't know what I'm talking about. Ordering Logan around.
What's the electrical systems?
Let's see. Trying to think what's been done. Nothing's been done lately. Hasn't really needed it. Following sort of philosophy about it. But I basically have a guy kind of look over it. That's something I told you about. The last thing I had done was back in Santa Cruz 50 years ago was to replace
50 years ago?
some braided wires. I don't believe there's anything you can see over most of where the shoreline goes. When there's a what do you call those things? It's not an inverter. It's whatever else distributes power to the boat. There's a box in there.
Under the...
Yeah, and then you can sort of see all the wiring, at least from that point, at that point. And that's for wires as they exist elsewhere in the boat. They're going to corrode over time.
Yeah.
I've not smelled anything or anything weird like that, but it's impossible to say that.
Yeah.
Okay.
Any other questions regarding? It looks like these had been, we were concerned, but it looks like these had been built once. Just kind of...
Yeah, it's weird because I got the invoice from it and it was in July when he said he built them in.
But the deck is really solid.
Yeah.
Yeah, I don't know if those holes are big enough to sort of water potential and allow water to get in them. I don't know if the radius is about sufficient.
And even a spider crack can allow water.
Yeah, but I'm not going to try and upset it or anything, but the deck seems solid and...
Tiny little anchor with no chain or a road. A little bit of road. Cool.
Oh, jeez. Connections on the...
This one was this motor. That motor's not gonna last long.
Wires are all corroded.
Does all work. I don't know how they leak, but they work.
Next episode, we meet up with some good friends from New York that were traveling cross country in their van, and we'd explore the universe. If you like this episode, it would be awesome if you click the like button, subscribe, and all that good stuff. See you next episode. Is she seaworthy?
Yeah, there be oil in the bins.